What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning into another one of our videos. Today's an exciting day because we are changing it up and we're taking it outside. Today I'm going to show you how we took this boring unused space and we built this awesome raised vegetable garden for the wifey. Alrighty, guys.
Let's make it happen.
Alrighty, guys, we've got our build complete and everything that we build has to be pretty, so we're going to be going back through with our stainable Minwax wood filler, filling all our screw and nail holes, and then I'm going to sand it down and get ready for stain. Let's make it happen. Alrighty, guys, now that we got everything sanded down, we're going to be going back through and staining all our wood. It's not only going to protect our wood out in the weather, but it's going to make it look beautiful. Today we're using the Minwax semi-transparent in the weathered oak. I've used this color before and it looks awesome. Let's make it happen. right, guys, now that we've got our staining done, we're gonna go through with some Weed Guard. We're gonna line the whole bottom and a little bit up the sides. This is gonna help stop any dirt from falling out the cracks and allow water to come through the bottom. All right, guys, let's make it happen.
Gloves on. Don't get your hands dirty.